What's going on? Today I'm going to go over strings in Python. So I'll start by creating my string. This is going to equal hello world. So before I get started, I know what you're thinking. How could there be so many methods with strings? Why am I choosing to cover strings in this course? Well, it's because I think that these methods that you'll see in just a moment are so important that I knew that I had to cover them. So let's start by accessing the variable myString. And let's use the period or the dot. And you can see there's all these methods. And now you know that they're methods because there's this pink M here. And so as I scroll down, you can see that there's so many of them. Now, as we get here, these aren't methods, but there's so many different methods. And I'm going to go through my favorite. So to start off, let's use the upper. So if we type in upper and we print out myString, we gotta print that out. You can see that what we result in is actually just normal hello world. And the reason why this is because it doesn't save it to the variable. So what you actually have to do is you have to call myString equals, and now you see that it does go to uppercase. Now if you just want to capitalize it, all you have to do is use the method capitalize, and you can see I hit enter there once it has it auto selected. Oops. And you'll see that it actually capitalizes the beginning. Now it just capitalizes the first, so let me just make it lowercase so that you guys can tell, and you see that it's still capitalized. Now what if I wanted this to be two separate strings, hello and world? Well, what I could actually use is I could use the split, and I could split it using this comma here, and we'll actually do the comma space so that it looks a bit cleaner. But now I'll print out myString, and you'll actually see it's an array with both hello and world. So now for a few of my favorite methods, we have .strip, and what .strip is, it removes any white space. So let's just create a bit of white space here. You can see when we run this, there's no white space there. So these are a few of my favorite methods. I would recommend looking into more of them. So you could simply just type in myString dot, and then if you see all of these different methods here, I would recommend trying a bunch of them out, seeing which ones you like. If you're trying to remove all of the, let's say, prefixes from something, so you want to remove the prefix pre, let's say, and you have pre-hello here. If we go ahead and run that out, you see that it's just hello world. Now I can remove this, and remove this line completely, and it prints out pre-hello world, so you know it's doing something. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.